Hey guys, this moisture-rich mask will leave your hair super soft, defined, shiny, free of tangles and frizz. Packed with benefits that would take us to our hair goals, we must consistently nurture our strands with the right ingredients to keep our strength, maintain moisture, retain our length, and minimize hair loss. For the recipe on the sea moss gel, that will be mentioned in the description box below, and I'll also link it in the video. This mask comes out super creamy, no water is necessary, but I did strain it using my stocking cap prior to applying it to my hair. This was a day 7 perm rod set, but I hadn't washed my hair for about 10 to 11 days because prior to this, I did have my hair blown out and I did do my wand curls, but they got ruined in the rain, and then I did perm rod. So my hair is about 11 days, no wash. It doesn't look bad, still looks moist somewhat, but I can tell my hair is getting tangled and the back is just knotted. If you have fine hair like me or fragile hair, your hands will always be your best friend to use when detangling. The comb and detangling brush is not recommended, especially when you know you're going to have knots in your hair. It will cause breakage, split ends, just unnecessary hair loss. Your hands will minimize all of this, and it's much more easier for our hair type. I sat with the hair mask for 2 hours. Then I rinsed it out in warm water. Then I did a quick bentonite clay mask. After, I proceeded with styling, and these are my results. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll see you for the next video. Bye guys!